here we go.
All right, what's this? Commercial place garage.
Dover.
Oh wow, we got some Dovers. Look at this.
Look
Look at that.
Wow.
Is that the counterweight right there?
Yeah, this is traction.
Going up to 8. Here we go.
This is the late 90s. This is gotta be a T4.
These are kind of fast. Rusty counterweight.
These have gotta be T4s. Yep, these are T4.
I'm so certain about that. Let's put the next thing. I want to see that. Uh-oh. We have a black interlock. What does that mean? These could be Thyssen Dover as
Oh,
well.
just look at the build plate on the garage coming on.
Let's get the other one.
Up to 8. Send up to 4.
Oh,
So we got a Dover call phone.
It was built in
Black interlock.
2000.
Thyssen Dover.
These are Thyssen Dover still.
We have a lot of Thyssen Dovers around here. Let me move your camera away a little bit.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Look at how it says up and down. That is neat. So this is a little bit of elevator too.
That's pretty.
Cool. Look at that Dover elevator. Dover Elevator Systems Incorporated.
Thyssen Dover. This is
My
why
knee just cracked.
these are actually pretty rare elevators.
We've seen a lot of them today. This is flickery.
That round window is interesting.
Round window?
Yeah, on the second floor.
Oh.
These are expired. Those certificates are expired. These press very nicely.
This is before the days of the tat control. Let it go.
Just your basic parking garage elevator. Would like to see if I can get a view of that Dover logo.
It'll come quick.
No, it's not on that.
Oh, I know what
Right
you're
down
talking
here.
Alright, let's take a look at it.
There's a
There
big
it is.
black
Dover.
cable connected to the counterweight.
It looks like there's the
That
cable
looks like
for
the
car.
travel communication.
Look at that.
Here, watch.
This used to be called Golden Lane Parking Garage.
Can you stand back a little bit, Jason? If you don't mind? Thank you. We got a lot of key switches.
Did y'all set it up?
Yeah, I did.
We got park, lobby return, independent service. Oh, you have to throw independent from out here. That's interesting.
Got emergency power too. Look at that. That is just neat.
That's a neat enunciator.
Yeah, it is.
That's just like the one at Chase's Hotel. Except this is this.
That is so neat.
Dink. All right. Well, that'll be it.